Hi, and welcome to the Roland Studio, and also welcome to the Free Art Festival, the hashtag Love Fall Art 2019, hosted by the CAC Facebook group Creative Arts Collaboration and hashtag Love Fall Art. And this is hosted by Cinnamon Cooney. And this time we are doing a collaboration with many other talented artists out there on YouTube. And we are bringing you some videos in different creative ways. So we wanted to share our creativity with you. And maybe next time you can join in on the fun when we do our next collaboration in the CAC. So come join us. In the meantime, unfortunately, I am laid up in the hospital, so I was limited to what I could do. But I had my drawing supplies on me, and I had purchased a brand new set of the new Faber-Castell line of the gold Faber, the 48 count gold Faber-Castell pencils. I believe these are not like the polychromos. They're not an oil base. These are, in fact, the wax base, very similar to what you get in your Prisma pencils. But this is their full line, and they're beautiful colors, and I just love them. They even included a gold and a silver. And I'm going to be using this set of pencils for the very first time. I haven't even had a chance to swatch them, but they're numbered on the back. They don't have the color names, so they're numbered on the back. So I'll be doing a swatch for my reference in my swatch book. And you can see here the different stats that these come with. And I'm sorry, I am on medication right now, so I apologize for the stuttering. These are 3.3 millimeter leads. They are, in fact, light fast. I can't read everything because my eyes are bad as well right now. So just take a moment, pause the video, and you can read yourself what this says on the back. I know I blurred out a minute, but it comes back into focus. But I'm really excited to use these Faber-Castell wax-based pencils. And like I said, it's a 48 count, and that is the full line on the new line, the gold Faber. So I didn't have the right kind of supplies with me, so I had some 4x6 index cards, and so I was limited to what supplies I was going to be using. So I am merely using a 4x6 index card, and the theme is autumn. Therefore, I don't know why it came to mind, but acorns came to mind, and that's what I felt like drawing. And so I hope you enjoy the rest of this video. I'm going to leave it in time lapse here. Enjoy the music, and I hope that you go by the CAC, join our Facebook group, and also our collaborations in the future. And if you like this video and you join the CAC, please tag me in comments below, or let them know I sent you their way. So I would appreciate that. And anyways, enjoy all the artists that you get to watch in this hashtag. So follow the hashtag. It will send you to all of the artists that are involved in this collaboration for the Love Fall Art. And I hope I'm saying that right. I really do, because I'm kind of out of it. But enjoy, and I'll talk to you later. Thank you. Oh, and please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, all those good things. All my links will be in the description box below. And let me know what you thought about this video. I would really appreciate your feedback. Thank you.